Today we're making some chocolate brownies. In my bowl, I have some melted Becel margarine, I have some vegetable oil, brown sugar, and white sugar. If you want the exact measurements, you can look in the description box below. What you want to do is to whisk together all of these ingredients until you don't see any lumps, but you don't want to overbeat it. Once that's all combined, you're going to add 4 eggs to your recipe. Next, you're going to add some vanilla extract, and then you're going to mix it all up. In another bowl, sift together flour, cocoa powder, and salt. Then add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients by gently whisking them in. Don't overbeat. It's easier to mix your brownies by hand using a whisk than an electric mixer, just because you risk overbeating by using an electric mixer, and you definitely don't want to do that with your brownies. Once all of your ingredients are folded in, you can start adding your chocolate. I like to add about 3/4 of the chocolate bar in here and save the other quarter for sprinkling on top of my mixture once it's in the pan. You can bake your brownies in an actual baking pan, or you can use a Pyrex dish. You can either use butter or shortening to line the bottom of your pan, or you can use parchment paper like I'm doing. Just makes the cleanup a lot easier. Once you pour your batter into the pan, you can use a spatula, or as I'm using, just a regular spoon, the back of the spoon, and just spread it so that the brownie mixture is covering all the sides of your pan. And now you sprinkle that chocolate on top and pop it into the oven at 350 degrees.